I'm Meredith Poston at the Charleston Home and Design Daniel Island Show. I'm here with Caroline with Energy One America. How are you doing, Caroline?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm well. Thanks so much for asking. So tell us a little bit about the company you work for.
We are locally owned and operated. We're here on Daniel Island off of Clements Ferry Road. We are the largest privately held spray foam company in the United States.
Oh, wow. So are you all locally owned?
Yes, we are.
Well, and I read recently that you all were named top 20 fastest growing businesses in Charleston.
That is correct, yes.
Well, and number 4, 2 years in a row?
That is correct too.
Well, that is quite impressive. So, spray foam, what does that do for the home?
It makes the home more energy efficient. In an existing home, you can put it underneath the roof line, underneath the floor system, and we can inject it into the walls. In new construction, it can go in the whole outer shell of the home as well. A couple things that it does up in your attic: prolongs the life of your air conditioning unit, drops the temperature in the attic to about 20 degrees within the temperature of the thermostat. Closed cell foam can make your roof 300% stronger.
Wow.
So lots of things. The biggest thing is dropping your electric bill about 40%.
Wow. So pretty much everyone would like to have this kind of thing going on in their home.
Everyone should have spray foam in their home.
Does it help with any sort of intrusive kind of creatures or weather?
It helps with all of that. If you put closed cell foam underneath your roof line, it makes it 300% stronger during violent weather. If you put it underneath the floor system and in the attic, it keeps the critters out, bugs out, dust, pollen, all that kind of stuff. So it's really good for people with allergies or any kind of respiratory issues.
Well, and those things I know are just big deals around here. We have the violent weather, we've got all that pollen. I know it's killing everyone right now. And we have, the pest control issue around here with all the bugs, the rodents. So it must be a really great market.
It is a really good market. I get phone calls. I have rats and snakes in my attic. Do you want to come on out? And I'm like, sure.
Yeah. I'd love to see those critters firsthand.
I've not seen one.
Oh, well, that's great. So, about how long does this process take?
The way the process works is I would come out and talk to the homeowner, evaluate the home, and get them an estimate. And when they say yes, we come out and we spray whatever it is that they signed up for us to spray. It depends on the size of the home, to answer your question. But we've done some large homes in Dunes West with mega roof lines in like 5 or 6 hours.
Wow, that is...
We can get it done fast.
Yeah, it sounds like it. And so you said new construction, existing homes. Mm-hmm. Does that kind of like cause any sort of obstacles with new construction or the existing homes? Either.
Obstacles. I can't think of any obstacles.
Yeah.
No.
I didn't know if perhaps the existing homes, you might have to do more of the existing foam. Also, existing. Kind of having to get all that out first.
Well, sometimes, yes. What we'll do, I understand what you're saying now. Sometimes we'll remove what's on the floor. In other words, if they have had critters in their attic, if the insulation on the floor has had critters or it's been wet, we definitely recommend taking it out. Mm-hmm. So it might be a 2-day process where we would come in and remove the insulation on the floor, whether it's bats or blown insulation, and then we would come in the following day to spray foam underneath the roof line.
Well, and this process, you said it can take 6 hours to 2 days. So how can people get in touch with you all to kind of get an estimate?
The best way to get in touch with us is to call or check out our website. Phone number is 843-388-6260, and the website is energy1 spelled out america.com.
Well, and do you do estimates, come to the home and kind of let people know what it's going to cost, how long it's going to take?
Yes, I go through and tell them what to expect. And then later on I will email them a proposal and let them know what it's going to cost and follow up with a phone call.
Well, it sounds like something, like I said, everyone in the area needs. So while you're fourth in the country, fourth in the county for fastest growing businesses.
Thank you very much. It was nice to meet you.
Well, so nice to meet you, Caroline. And again, I'm Meredith Poston with Charleston Home and Design at the Charleston Home and Design Daniel Island Show.